Hey guys, it's Kaif Jawad and welcome to my new video. Today is day 167 to 68 in log for 5-year journey, and I hope you are doing well. So basically, I was drinking milk and also studying and creating this video. So this video will be not very special. I just want to talk about the video that I created. So the video last video I relapsed got 52 views, which was more grateful for me and my thing. So the main thing I want to say that I'm currently working on the lead and I'm trying to complete 2 lead every day, like finding them and DMing them, and sometime later I will DM them in another media. So not much to say. Reading 2 books. One is from Mark, and another from Napoleon. You know that Think and Grow Rich, and the another was is The Subtle Art of Not Giving Censor. And that's it. And also hope you are doing well. And today was a great day. Also yesterday was also good day for me, and I'm currently doing well, working on my skill, working this stuff. So this video is not good quality because I'm recording it with my iPad, and I will try to create better blogs from now or then when I get much time. So that's it, and now I'm learning the skill called community building, and then I will learn creative thinking. So that's it. At the end, I will and I do.